He's the guy that the FBI has him, I believe, on tape accepting a bag of $50,000 in cash in a kava bag, which is why you're seeing all the jokes about kava bags. But he basically sort of said, well, we're going to pull people out of Minnesota as soon as they do what we tell them to. And the bottom line is they're going to do a lot of window dressing, but they are not going to back down. They're absolutely not going to back down because Trump can't back down. Why else would you need to hide behind someone else? If you'd done stuff you were proud of, you'd want to be out in front and saying, hey, that was my idea, right? Have you ever seen a politician who was reticent about taking credit for stuff, except maybe Joe Biden, right? Which was a mistake. Like, they're out there all the time going, look what I did, look what I did, look what I did. And she's like, I had nothing to do with it. Well, of course, Miller promptly came out and tried to blame the Bovino and the Border Patrol agents, saying, well, they said he had a gun. The point here is that you're starting to see infighting among the people there, and that infighting is going to get worse and worse as Trump's numbers get worse and as he continues to deteriorate. And as they fight, they're going to leak more and more to the press. And this is actually initially erased. They're still people, they're still not erased, but of the rule of law, not by you actually saying, I'm going to push you out of it. Okay, we'll just move the shelves around until nobody can remember where that P is, and then the P doesn't exist anymore. And that, I think, is what